making a market for quality was the first hurdle. Like, let's assume there's a product X which is at quality 40 and people are used to it. So if I am having a product which is similar to that, and if I'm selling at the similar quality, maybe at an inferior rate, it's easy to sell it. But if I'm making a product which is maybe 70 or 80 quality, then the first thing I need to do is I need to change the mindset of people that this to you, their expectation is to work in a how do I explain, in a corporate office, in a glass building, having those corporate parties. That's the kind of expectation a lot of students have.
So my next question is, when you were starting your company, your first company, what were the hurdles, the major hurdles that you faced?
So I wouldn't call a lot of hurdles in my first company because, as I told you, it was I started taking classes majorly घर पे and students के घर पे. Uh, but over the next 3 to 4 years, when I started the next two or three companies also, all the firms which I am into right now, the major hurdles we faced. So we always wanted to be someone who can give a very good product. Like our quality is something which we are known for. And if you attend the webinars, you know how our quality is. We never
Right.
compromise on quality. So the hurdle which we face and which I'm also shocked and I don't like this hurdle a lot is what do you say? People or like the respondents are more how do I explain you? Like making a market for quality was the first hurdle. Like let's assume there's a product X which is at quality 40 and people are used to it. So if I am having a product which is similar to that, and if I'm selling at the similar quality, maybe at an inferior rate, it's easy to sell it. But if I'm making a product which is maybe 70 or 80 quality, then the first thing I need to do is I need to change the mindset of people that this is something which you should go for. So the first and a very big hurdle which we faced was changing of mindset, that you should go for this quality even if it is a bit expensive, because it will in the long run it will pay much better than going for something in inferior quality. So our clients are students, our clients are colleges, and it's been equally difficult to explain both of them, colleges as well as students. Uh, this whole concept is selling, basically changing the mindset was the first problem which we still face. It's still there in a lot of our offerings. Like changing the mindset of students and colleges is not easy. Second hurdle which I have faced is also getting good employees after a point and good interns after a point, because we aren't someone who are funded. As I told you, we are someone who are into who think a lot about our bottom line also, not only our top line, which is important for us. Like our profits are also important for us, and that's why. So we are doing slowly. So the current, I can say, the good quality graduates whom we want to ideally employ, their expectations from a job and the kind of jobs we offer has been very different always. So you are currently in which standard, Kush? What are you studying?
I am in 12th standard right now.
So you give your 12th.
No, I'll give my 12th this year.
You will give your 12th this year. So now if I'm talking about graduates, so maybe some years older to you, their expectation is to work in a how do I explain, in a corporate office, in a glass building, having those corporate parties.
Right.
That's the kind of expectation a lot of students have, a lot of graduates have. We can't offer that. We can offer them quality work. We genuinely offer them very good work where they can learn, they can grow. Uh, but that is not exactly what the other side is looking out for a lot of times. So we have got good employees. Suddenly we haven't got employees and interns. There have been amazing employees and interns who joined us. But it's been a hurdle. It's been a hurdle always to find that good quality and retain it. वो hurdle रहा ही है. So I think these are the two major hurdles. That is creating a market for a product which we are selling, and second thing is just जैसे मैंने को बोला that matching the kind of expectations which recent graduates have. It's because they're not looking out just for good work. More than the work, they're looking out for good, uh, I can say, work conditions. Like in a startup, in a small company, the way we are, we don't have any timings. Like if there's work, we might have a meeting at 11 o'clock in the night also, and we work on Sundays also if required. but they want a 9 to 5 job or 10 to 6 job Monday to Friday. The whole concept, we want weekends off. Like Saturday, Sunday, दोनों off चाहिए. All those things would happen in our company which has recently started or which is still in the growth stage. So that has been a hurdle. So these are two major hurdles which are there. Obviously, we've worked around it. We've been pretty successful working around it till now. But at the start 3-4 years, वो issue था हम लोग.
If you could just tell me how you overcome this or how you change the mindset of your clients or
So ideally, how I change, I'll tell you. So there'll be multiple ways. So depending on the client, the ways change. So yeah, we saw one thing that after a point, if there are 100 people who we target, 1 or 2 people will agree to our viewpoint and they'll give us an opportunity. And once they see our quality, they will automatically tell it to others about us. So the word of mouth has worked a lot for us. For some courses, it's worked very well. There are some courses where we don't need to market anymore. It's zero marketing, and maybe a month before the course is almost full. So ऐसा हो जाता है. उसके अलावा the presentation skills, as I told you that we've improved our presentation skills a lot. The usage of charts, graphs, quantitative methods of presenting any data, वो काफी बढ़ गया है. And once that has increased, automatically, the faith with the सामने वाला has on us. One more thing we've done is a lot of times to a lot of clients we offer some demos for free. Let's assume I am looking out for a corporate client for training their employees in Excel. Just giving you an example. What do? Is we offer 1 or 2 people out there to join our normal batch to see, experience our quality, and then take a call whether they want to join us or not. So that's what we have done. So we've been we so sure about our quality that there have been some courses where we give cashbacks, where we give 100% refunds if you are not like zero questions asked. You do the course, you like it, take the money back. That's how I can say confident we are about our quality. So we've done all these things, and now it has started working. And once I can say, once you reach a specific number of customers, once you've maybe trained 5,000 students, then the word of mouth starts building pretty fast. Like then it doesn't grow, it grows, it doesn't multiply, it becomes exponential after a point. It's the first 5 to 10,000 students को लाना difficult पड़ता है. Once you have got that base, you've trained these many students across the city, word of mouth spreads. People know. Like now, a lot of people, especially like we have got a lot of students from NM, NMIMS, UPG, Metal. So you talk about to students from these colleges, they know what LeapUp is, they know the kind of quality we give, and if they're looking out for a quality product, they will contact us. That's what has happened. Now, we obviously are going to other colleges also, trying to break into various colleges. As I told you, it's one step at a time. So now the word of mouth is playing pretty well for us. But we had to do these things. We had to offer things for free. Still we do it. As I told you, the financial modeling workshop it's a complimentary workshop. The certified free workshop where we give amazing quality. And the idea is that if they like the quality or all, they like it, they like our quality, they like our services, then the ice like the be icebreaker for them to shell out money to genuinely do a good course. And ऐसा नहीं कि हम वो सिर्फ मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं, आप वो आगे नहीं करोगे. Like, even if you don't do the course with us or you don't do any courses with us, we are sure that those 2 days or those 5 hours will also add a lot of value in your knowledge. So जो भी कर रहे हैं हम एकदम quality वाला ही कर रहे हैं. We've never gone down on quality, and that's what we have been selling. So abhi it's easier to sell. People have now accepted the fact that good quality is important. And we have a feeling, and we have been successful in it right now, where we feel that the post-COVID era, importance of quality courses, importance of quality skill development avenues will increase massively. Because competition will increase, people will look for work from home options. People will look for options where there are people who can do multiple work together. Like ऐसा नहीं कि तू सिर्फ एक ही role कर रहा है, तू multiple roles कर रहा है. And people will look for employees who are practically trained rather than just having a degree. So even if you are just a 12th standard kid and you know something practically, you will still have an opportunity. And you might have a higher probability of getting a job over a graduate also, because that I won't know it practically and you might know it practically. So people have started, like even our companies or corporates are also clients because they hire from us. So even they have started accepting the fact that more than the degrees, skills matter. Even the government is pushing Skill India a lot. There's NSDC, National Skill Development Center. skills have become of utmost importance. People have understood the concept that marks से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कितने marks आए. Degree से hardly फर्क पड़ता है until unless it's a very good professional degree. So what will matter? How will you stand out? It's the skills you have. So it's taking time, but now it's working.